Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Mr. Coder, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do Stickogon question A of Codeforces Round 940 Division 2 and CodeCraft-23. So you're given n sticks of different lengths, and you have to find the maximum number of regular equal-sided polygons you can construct simultaneously such that each side of a polygon is formed by exactly one stick and no stick is used in more than one polygon, and sticks can't be broken. So, and if you look at the samples, so 1, you can't make an equilateral polygon with only one side. 2, same thing. But with the third one, 6, so you have two 2s, but you can't make a regular polygon with only two sides. But with 4, you can make a square, and you can also make an equilateral triangle. And if you notice, it's always optimal to make equilateral triangles because that requires the least amount of sides. So if you look at this last one, there's 4 4s and then there's 5 2s. And then if you make two equilateral triangles, one with side length 2, one with side length 4, then you'd have 2. And even though you could make two squares or a pentagon and a square, it's still always optimal because it doesn't want you to find like the biggest polygons either. It just wants you to find the number of regular polygons. And there's a handy data structure that we can use to help us. And there's two ways we can use to keep track of the number of stick lengths with how long they are. One, because of how small this A of I minimum is, 100, you can just make a vector of all 100. But you could also use a map, because a map, you can store each value and the number of times it has appeared. And I used a map to solve it. So I got inputted in the vector, and then I used a map, and I just added one to the appearance of that vector. So then when I loop through using the C++17 feature of this X and Y, then if you notice the X, which is the value, doesn't really matter. You just need to know how many of that value are there, and also that each value is different. And then I just print out Y over 3, because if you have 5, then if you do 5 divided by 3, it'll round down since they're both integers, so it'll round down to 1. So then I print out the answer. So then after you see the sample input, it gets 0, 0, 1, 2. So yeah, this is how you do Stickogon. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.